Hi guys, welcome back. Today, as you can see from the title, we're going to be doing a unboxing of the AirPods Pro. Let's begin. As you can see, there's a tab here just to make it slightly easier. So, gone are the days of the unboxing knives, so that's another expense I can get rid of. Pull tab. And I just screwed up the pull tab, but never mind. There we go. Now that's there. And now for the reveal. These better have a charging case in here, yeah, right? Because with Apple removing all the rest of the charging stuff and whatever, it wouldn't surprise me. But I think it's safe to say we're going to get all the included accessories. Oh, the AirPods aren't included. But the instructions are. I'm only joking, they're underneath. So, yeah, usual booklet and that sort of rubbish. And then inside you get the AirPods Pro themselves. Take these out and we'll come back to them so we can set them up. And underneath here, if we can get to it, we have a lightning cable. And the only other thing that's in the box, which I will show you now, is this, which has replacement ear tips depending on the size of your ears. And I believe the ones that are installed are the medium sized ones, so we're going to try that to begin with. So, AirPods Pro. And the AirPods Pro actually have a wireless charging case, so you can either plug them in with a lightning cable, or if you've got yourself a Qi compatible wireless charger, or even the new MagSafe charger, or even the MagSafe Duo, you can actually charge on that as well. And we actually have a MagSafe charger. So that's what I'll be using to charge them. And I'll be right back for the setup. Okay guys, we are now back and I'm going to show you how the setup of the AirPods Pro, and it's really easy to do. All you do is you open the AirPods themselves and just bring them close to your iPhone. So we're going to do that now. They're now open. What you do is you hit the connect when the pop-up comes up. And within a few seconds, that'll connect. And on screen, you'll actually see that controls are coming in, and it's just telling you about noise control, noise cancellation, spatial audio, etc. As you can see. So for now, we're going to skip that because I know how to do it. And you literally just press done, and they are now connected. What we're going to do is we are going to test them. So bring them out of the thing. This is what they look like. That's one. that's the other one. Close the box. And we've just done the sound test and it works perfectly. And to charge them, it's just a simple case of putting them back in to the charging case like this, closing the lid, and then you'll see an orange light come on. I'll just do that again because the light went off. So you close the lid and the orange light comes on. And when you're actually charging it via cable or wirelessly, my green light will come on and that will indicate the AirPods as well as the case are charging. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe button, notification bell, and I will see you very soon for another unboxing. Will be the MagSafe wallet for the iPhone 12 Pro, so be sure to subscribe for that. That is coming very soon. Thanks guys for watching.